Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. I'm putting a drink up today called A Lover's Holiday. Normally I do it for Thirsty Thursdays, but I'm going to put it up early this week so you can get the ingredients, because this is a great drink for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, lovers. Check out this drink. We'll need blood orange cocktail mix, Grenadine, mango pineapple Svedka, and a grain alcohol. But if you don't want to use a grain alcohol, you can use any high potency vodka you wish. Now, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. Bottoms up. Alright, so we're going to start off with the mango pineapple vodka. That's what we're going to do. Let me tell y'all something before you start. This drink is not for lightweights. It is not. But if you want to substitute that grain alcohol, like I said, you can. You can get yourself just a really high potency good vodka and it'll work out. But baby, this is not for lightweights. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this bottle. Look. Act like somebody stole something. Like I cannot get this bottle open. I don't know why, but I'm gonna tell you something. Based on who I am, it will get open. Alright, we back. Y'all know what? I ain't playing with this bottle. Let me tell you something. Do like my uncle used to do. Tap the top of a jar and they open right up. Tap the top of the jar. Bing! What y'all say now? Tap the top of it. I ain't playing with this. Alright, so I'm gonna put a half a cup. Half a cup of vodka. As I said, this is not for lightweights. And I'm gonna put a half of that half a cup of grain alcohol. So I'm gonna put a half, yeah. Nope, I'm measuring it exactly. I'm not even playing with this one. This one is not to be played with. Y'all hear me? It's not to be played with. Alright, so the blood orange mix, we're going to put a whole half a cup of it. And the reason why is because we got a lot of liquor in this drink right now. We got a lot of liquor in this drink. We want to be sure. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put about a tablespoon of Grenadine. So I'm going to use the Grenadine syrup. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of it. Okay, there we go. Do that. Quick and easy. Give it a stir right there. Get all my Grenadine off that spoon. And we're going to give this a taste. Now, this is where you adjust your drink to the way you like it. That is perfect. That's all I can tell y'all. That right there, that's perfect. Yeah, it's like a little burning in your chest. But, baby, let me tell you, that's perfect. Let me pour this out. Alright, so we back. And we back with our garnish too, which is going to be these little peach rings. These little cute peach rings. You know the kind we be doing with edibles. But I tell you what, that drink, we're going to get that drink poured up right about now. All over this ice. This drink is strong. It's strong, but it's delicious. So make sure you get it all over that ice, baby. And then let me tell you something. These little peach rings, they cute. But they're going to be drunken peach rings when you get through with them. So put them on kind of on the side right there. And go on about y'all business with this drink, okay? Go ahead on and get total fuck up. All right, people. Nope, y'all don't need to see me. What y'all need to see is this fabulous ass drink with them peach rings in the bottom. Hey, them gonna be drunken peach rings, so eat those. You get through drinking your drink, eat them drunken peach rings, and they ain't gonna have nothing but liquor sucked into them. Oh, I wasted some. This is so good. Let me tell y'all something. Go make this. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Enjoy your drink. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.